you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Torian Ray, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, today I'm going to be customizing my interior. I drive a Jeep Wrangler. I have a truck. It's a Jeep Wrangler 2016 JK Unlimited Sport. I love it. This is my first car. This is my dream car. I've had it ever since I was 18 years old. So today I am going to be changing my interior color to red, and my seats are going to be leather. So I'm gonna let y'all see, you know, how long it takes and everything I have to do to install my seats. I'll be installing my seats all by myself because I ain't got no help. I ain't got no help. So right now the current time is 7:56, and hopefully it does not take me that long. I'm hoping it takes like an hour, maybe 2 hours. I don't know. I had to start late though because it was way too hot outside. Like, I wanted to do it way early in the day, but it was way too hot, and so yeah, we're going to get this train rolling. And my seats are from Amazon. I will leave the description to purchase these seats if you have a Jeep Wrangler as well and you want to get the same look I got. I will leave the description the link to the description to the item. I will leave that down in the description box below, and let's get to it. So what you guys see me doing here now is I'm going to be unboxing my leather seats. They came from Amazon. I was very pleased with the packaging. Even though it didn't have that many rules and directions on how to put them on, it was very self-explanatory, which made it very easy for me. So this is just me unpackaging them, and they came, you know, ready to slay. I love them. So you got to take out all the headrests before you put the seat on, first of all. So I start off with my driver's seat first. I take the entire seat cover and I just throw it over top of the seat. And as soon as I throw it over on top of the seat, I get to pulling it and making it fit and seeing, you know, what falls into what place. So that way I know how to do my passenger seat and how to put that on the correct way. But so far I'm just pulling it and making it fit. Now what you see me doing is fitting my seat covers over my headrest buttons where I can take in and out the headrest. I stretch them out a little bit and they snug right up under the seat buttons, so it fit perfectly, but it does take just a little bit of elbow grease. Now I'm just tucking in the bottom half of the seat cover so that way I know I have something to tighten when I put in the bottom half of the seat that you actually sit on. And I just needed it out of the way so that way I can easily put in the second piece that goes on the seat. This is just me showing you guys the front part of the seat, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the back part of the seat and how it fits on, and you can see the headrest buttons up top as well. Now, I did not read any directions on how to do this. I'm really just kind of just like eyeing it and seeing what I can do. If it gets too difficult, then I will definitely go on their YouTube channel and watch how they install these seats. But so far, I'm just kind of like using common sense and trying to, you know, just put it on there. But so far, it's going pretty cool. It's a lot of pieces that I don't know, like when they attach, because they look so different. But yeah, if it gets difficult, just watch YouTube, guys. guys, this is not easy at all, but I'm doing it. I want to do it. But one thing that I did do was find out that most of the pieces that I was trying to put on the front seat really went to the back seat. It's just the back seat is all one big piece. So it's like it'll want you to put on the entire back part and the entire front part, which I thought was to the front part. But I got my driver's seat done. Now I'm gonna move over to my passenger, and I got my, what you call it? Yeah, headrest. I got those done as well. So this is just an update. Right now it's currently, what time is it? What, like 9 o'clock?
8:50.
8:50, and I started at 7:50. So it's been an hour so far. We only got one seat. But you know, I'm happy. I ain't tripping. I'm glad. This is the final look. It took me roughly a few hours, but we got it done. I still have to do a lot of smoothing and stuff, like with the little smoothing tool they gave me. But we finally got it done. It took 2 people. I thought I could just do it all by myself. This is the smoothing tool they gave me. But yeah, we finally got it done. This video is pretty much all over the place, but I'm just excited to get it done because I've always wanted red interior in my Jeep. So yeah, this is the finished look. Now let me show y'all the back. Now the back is one thing that I'm not a fan of because of the Velcro. Like, I'm gonna let y'all see. Y'all see those little white tabs? That's like the Velcro. That's how you pull it to make it really smooth. Like, it's everywhere. You can't see it down there because it's so dark. But basically, it's a whole bunch of these that's running all across. But you can't even see them right now because it's dark. But you can see that one. That's the only thing I don't like about the Jeep covers. But being that my back thing is tinted, this is my window, it's pretty tinted. So you can't really see, you know, like nobody is going to be sitting back there. You know, when people get in the car, this is what they're going to see, which I am excited. I'm very pleased with the seat covers. They weren't the easiest to put on, but baby, they look so good to me, and I'm just really excited. Also, putting on these covers. These headrest covers were not easy because the headrest, it ain't like you can like squish it and stuff. It's not the easiest, but I'm just so excited. Like, I'm so happy on how they turned out. And definitely, I will definitely be putting the link to purchase these seats off Amazon in the description below. And there's going to be a lot of Jeep mods that I have coming up for y'all, but this is just a final look, and I'm so excited. On to the final look. This is how they came out. I'm showing you guys this in the daytime because the nighttime it was pretty difficult to see, and nighttime I didn't have my 2 back headrest seat covers on, so now those are on, so it's completely 100% finished. And yeah, this is just the look where you guys can see clearly since it's daytime. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result of my car. As y'all can see, it's red. I am definitely in love with my interior. It's so new, it's so different, and I like new and I like different. So I'm obsessed with the color. I love the quality. It's leather, it's real leather, so it smells amazing. Like, I love, you know how like you got that new car smell? That's the kind of smell it gives off. It gives off that new car smell, and I really love it. The install was mild. Honestly, it was easy. You just needed some elbow grease. You know, you need elbow grease putting on anything that's like snug. Yeah, I do want to, you know, get more colors. Like, I'm the type of person where it's like, when it comes to like stuff like this, it's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna try me a different color. These are definitely temporary. Thumbs this video up and subscribe and comment if you like the video, if it was helpful or not. I try my best. But yeah, like, definitely let me guys know what you think, if you like the look on it. And so far yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Thumbs this video up if you did. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.